Hello friend, please come in the park every day and enjoy the nature. Please do exercise every day, it is better for your health. Hello friend, today we are learning computer chapter first, computer and its component. Class 3, computer and its component. After completing this chapter, you will be able to understand the meaning of a computer system, understand the working of a computer, learn the characteristic of a computer, identify hardware and its component and software and its type. Hi friends, welcome back again. Now you are in a new class. Let us learn more about computers. Computer system. The word computer comes from the term compute, which means to calculate or count. A system is a collection of combination of components that are used together for a common task. A computer is also called a computer system, as it is not a single machine but a combination of hardware and software components that work together to perform a task. Look at the labeled diagram of a computer system. Look at the labeled diagram of a computer system. Processing unit, CPU, output device, speaker, output device, monitor, input device, mouse, input device, keyboard, output device, printer. This is a computer system. Computer and its working. A computer is an electronic device which receives the data input from the user, manipulate it according to the specified rule, processes and converts it into information or result output. The working of a computer is based on the following principle: input, process, output. Computer accepts data in the form of input. It processes the data as per requirement or instruction. It shows the result in the form of output. Let us understand it with the help of an example. Making orange juice using a juicer. Oranges input, juicer processing orange juice output. Put oranges in the juicer input. Juicer make juice from oranges processing. We get orange juice output. The working of a computer can also be shown in the form of a block diagram. User input unit, data processing unit, information output unit, block diagram. This is how a computer works, and it is also known as IPO cycle. Real life example of IPO cycle. First, sharpening pencil. Input pencil, processor, sharpener, output sharpened pencil. Second, washing cloth. Input dirty cloth, processor washing, output wash good cloth. Making a tea. Input processor, output brushing teeth. Input brush, processing brushing teeth, output brushed teeth. Example of our body as IPO cycle. Input eyes, ear. Processor brain. Output mouth. Characteristic of a computer. A computer is a powerful and useful machine. It is used in many different fields because of that characteristic it possesses. Let us have a look at some of these characteristics. Speed. A computer works very fast. It can perform thousands of calculations in a second. Storage. The computer has a very large storage capacity. It can store large amount of work for a long time. Versatility. Versatility means computer is used at different places for different purposes. A computer can perform a variety of tasks efficiently. Accuracy. Computer work with high accuracy. It cannot make mistakes on its own. It always gives correct answer. 100 marks. Diligence. Computer can do a lot of work again and again at the same speed without getting bored or tired. It can work continuously for 24 hours without needing any rest. Hardware. All the physical equipment that are attached to a computer are called hardware. You can touch and feel the hardware. Hardware include components like computer system unit, input devices, processing devices, output devices, and storage devices. System unit. System unit is a plastic or metal case that contains the main component of a computer. It protects these internal electronic component of damage. System unit is a plastic or metal. System unit is a plastic or metal case that contains the main component of a computer. It protects these internal electronic component from damage. It is also called computer case. Every computer has a system unit or computer case. It is available in a variety of shapes and size. Desktop case, tablet case, notebook case, smartphone case. All the cases are computer system unit. Input devices. The data or instruction we enter into the computer is called input. A hardware component that allows you to enter data or instruction into a computer is called an input devices. Some input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick, etc. Keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick. Processing devices. After getting the data or instruction from an input device, computer process the data and change into information with the help of processor or CPU. CPU, Central Processing Unit. CPU, Central Processing Unit. CPU, also known as processor or microprocessor, is the processing device of a computer. It is also known as the brain of the computer. CPU performs all the calculations and processes data into information. Output devices. After processing, a computer shows the final result or information as an output. A hardware component that shows the final result is called an output device. Some output devices are monitor, printer, speaker, etc. Storage devices. Storage allows you to save your work for future use. Any hardware component that is used to store data, instruction and information for future use is called a storage device. Some storage devices are hard disk, compact disk, CD, pen drive, etc. Hard disk, compact disk, pen drive. Software. Software is a set of instructions that tells the computer hardware what to do and how to perform a particular task. You cannot touch or feel the software. There are mainly two types of software: system software and application software. There are mainly two types of software: system software and application software. System software. System software is a type of software that control and manage the overall activities of a computer system. It operates in the background and instead that you are System software. System software is a type of software that controls and manages the overall activities of a computer system. It operates in the background and ensures that your computer system functions properly. It also runs the application software. Operating system is an example of system software. Operating system. Operating system is the first software which is installed on the computer. It acts as a bridge between the user and the computer system. It also coordinates all the activities in the computer. Some famous operating system software are Windows is the most popular operating system developed by Microsoft. Mac OS is an operating system developed by Apple Inc. for their Macintosh line of computer system. Linux is an operating system developed by Linux Torvald. It is available for free on the internet. Application software. The software that performs a specific task for the user is known as application software or app. Application software help you in doing some specific type of work. For example, we use Paint to make drawing, but we cannot do calculation using Paint. We have to use the application software help you in doing some specific type of work. For example, we use Paint to make drawings, but we cannot do calculations using Paint. We have to use the calculator application software to calculate some application software program or Microsoft Word. It helps you to create text document with Microsoft Word. It helps you to create text document with ease. Microsoft Excel. It helps you to perform calculation and store the data in tabular format, rows and columns. Microsoft Paint. It helps you to draw and paint with the mouse. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Ayan Educational Activities. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Bye.